Hello everyone. I'm going to show you how you can be able to make this plane flyby effect in DaVinci Resolve. Let's get started. Here I've got two video clips in my timeline. For this example, one is a green screen video of a plane flying by, and another is a city aerial view. You can find all these clips very easily through the internet. Now stack these two clips like this. Make sure you place the background clip always on the bottom video track and the foreground clip always on the top video track. For me it's city aerial view, the background clip, and green screen video of a plane flyby is the foreground clip. Now select the green screen clip, go to Fusion page, select the media in OneNote, and press Shift space. Now here search for Delta Keyer, and from the Inspector tab, click and drag this dropper tool to our viewer to key out the green screen. Now go back to the edit page. From here, we can be able to adjust the size and the position of this plane. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe. Happy editing!